Welcome to Mesabi Range College's Graphic Design Media program. It looks like you got here right away. We're just finishing up our morning lecture, then we'll start the tour of what is offered by this 2-year program. For the first part of our tour, let's take a look at the first-year classroom. From here, you can see our 2-color press, the silk screening room, our blue screen, the lecture and presentation area, the door to the second-year classrooms, and the doors to our editing room. If at any time you want to take a break and look around, feel free to pause the video and resume when ready. The first piece of equipment we will look at is our 2-color press. With this, we learn the fundamentals of print, how to run the press, how to correct mistakes made when running a job, and we are even given the chance to run a few jobs for the community. Next, we will take a look at the silk screening room. In here, we take designs we make and imprint onto special screens that we then use to make t-shirts using the silk screening process. This room also holds the digital plate maker, which makes plates for use with the 2-color press. Now we will take a look at the room where we spend a lot of our time, the editing room. In here, we take photos or captured video from our green or blue screens and edit them using programs such as Final Cut Pro 10 and GarageBand before we present the final product. Now, the last bit of the first-year classroom I want to show you before we go on to the second-year classes is our Lightroom/stitching room. In here, we take designs that we make and trace over transparencies, which we then use with the special screens in the silk screening process to make our t-shirts. We also use the stitcher in here to bind books that we make. Now on to the second-year classroom. During our second year in graphic design media, we learn how to effectively use Adobe Creative Cloud software such as Illustrator, InDesign, Photoshop, Animate, Dreamweaver, and app publishing, along with learning the fundamentals of design and how to use them. I hope you enjoyed this brief tour of the graphic design media program at Mesabi Range College's Eveleth campus. For more information on this program and others, please visit the Eveleth campus or contact Rosanna Omersa for more info.